Unraveling the Genius of Paul Cézanne, a journey into the life and art of a pioneer post-impressionist painter. Paul Cézanne, often hailed as the father of modern art, embarked on a journey that forever altered the landscape of artistic expression. His pioneering vision laid the groundwork for movements that dared to break free from traditional norms, inviting artists to view the world through a prism of innovation and creativity. In his early years, Cézanne's formative period was marked by a fervent exploration of color and form. This phase of his life was crucial, as it set the stage for his later masterpieces. Each brushstroke was a step towards the uncharted territories of his artistic potential, shaping his destiny as a beacon of modernism. The influence of Impressionism on Cézanne's early works cannot be understated. It was during this time that he began to experiment with light and its interplay with nature, a dance of hues and textures that would become a hallmark of his style. Yet even as he gleaned insights from Impressionism, a unique vision germinated within him. Breaking away from the constraints of Impressionism, Cézanne's journey toward Post-Impressionism was a testament to his relentless pursuit of a deeper artistic truth. His evolving style sought not just to capture the world, but to understand its underlying structures, an endeavor that would revolutionize the art world. The role of color and light in Cézanne's evolution as an artist was transformative. Through his bold experiments, he discovered new ways to convey the complexity of the visual experience, a legacy that continues to inspire artists to this day. Cézanne's journey teaches us the power of perseverance and the endless possibilities that await when we dare to envision beyond the scene. Paul Cézanne's Mont Sainte-Victoire series is a testament to the power of persistence. Each brushstroke captures not just the landscape, but also the artist's relentless pursuit of mastery. It is a reminder that great achievements require time, patience, and repeated effort. In the world of art, Cézanne's Bathers series stands as a beacon of innovation. These works redefine the portrayal of the human figure, inviting us to see the beauty in form and composition. They encourage us to embrace new perspectives and challenge conventional norms. Cézanne revolutionized still life paintings by infusing them with life and depth previously unseen. His approach turned everyday objects into subjects of profound beauty, teaching us that greatness often lies in the ordinary, waiting to be discovered. Exploring Cézanne's unique approach to portraiture reveals a deeper truth about humanity. He captured the soul of his subjects, reminding us that true connection lies beyond the surface. His portraits are a call to look deeper and appreciate the complexity within us all. The friendship between Cézanne and Zola is a powerful narrative of mutual inspiration. Their bond exemplifies how true friendship transcends time, influencing their work and leaving an indelible mark on the world. It's a testament to the impact of collaboration and support in the creative journey. Paul Cézanne, often hailed as the father of modern art, profoundly impacted Cubism and future art movements. His revolutionary approach to form and color laid the groundwork for the likes of Picasso and Matisse, forever altering the trajectory of artistic expression. His ability to deconstruct nature into geometric forms challenged and reshaped the very foundation of how art was perceived, making his influence a cornerstone for the avant-garde. Nestled in the heart of Aix-en-Provence, Cézanne's studio was more than just a workspace. It was a crucible of innovation. Here, amidst the tranquility of his surroundings, Cézanne birthed masterpieces that would pioneer new artistic directions. This sacred space witnessed the relentless pursuit of perfection, a testament to Cézanne's dedication to his craft. In his final years, Cézanne reflected on a legacy that was only beginning to bloom. Unrecognized by many during his lifetime, his innovative techniques and bold compositions would posthumously earn him the admiration of generations. This period was a poignant reminder of the enduring power of vision and resilience in the face of adversity. The initial reception of Cézanne's work was marked by criticism and misunderstanding. Yet, this did not deter him. Instead, it fueled his commitment to his vision. Over time, his genius was recognized, and today, he stands celebrated as a pivotal figure whose contributions have irrevocably shaped the art world. Cézanne's technique, characterized by a unique blend of delicate detail and bold composition, has become a hallmark of his genius. His ability to imbue psychological depth into landscapes and portraits through this technique showcases not just his mastery over paint, but his profound understanding of human perception and emotion. Paul Cézanne's landscapes and portraits are infused with a psychological depth that invites viewers into a world beyond the canvas. His ability to capture the soul of his subjects transformed art, making every brushstroke a window into the human experience. Cézanne's work challenged and reshaped the art world, refusing to conform to the norms of his time. His groundbreaking approach laid the groundwork for modern art, proving that true innovation often comes from breaking the rules and following one's vision. The role of solitude in nature in Cézanne's creative process was profound. In the quiet of the French countryside, he found the inspiration for his masterpieces, showing us that great art often grows from the seeds of quiet reflection and deep connection to the natural world. Cézanne introduced the concept of seeing through in art, a revolutionary idea that encouraged looking beyond the surface to the layers of meaning underneath. This approach not only altered the course of painting, but also how we perceive the world around us. The legacy of Paul Cézanne extends far beyond his lifetime, influencing countless modern and contemporary artists. His fearless exploration of color, form, and perspective opened new pathways for creativity, cementing his place as a pillar of artistic genius. Unveiling Cézanne is not just about exploring major exhibitions, it's a journey through the heart of art history itself. His contributions have illuminated the path for countless artists, inspiring them to see the world anew through their unique lenses. Understanding Cézanne's place in the pantheon of great artists transcends mere appreciation. It's an acknowledgement of how one visionary's perspective can reshape our understanding of beauty. His legacy is a beacon for future generations, urging them to explore beyond the visible into the essence of creativity itself.